Hi, good morning everyone. Happy Sunday. Come get ready with me because today I'm gonna be meeting with my best friends. Later, mapakita ko sa inyo kung sino siya. So, actually, kagabi nakapag-pack na ako. It's just a light packing because it's just, like a 22 hours staycation around Pasay lang. So, yeah. Actually, ready na ako. Hindi naman ako excited masyado. It's just a light packing. I only, pack like 2 pairs of shirts lang, tsaka pang swimming lang din. So, it's already in here. Lang, small bag lang. Tapos sabi ko nga, 2 hours stay lang to with my friends. And I also have with me my toiletries, basic lang tayo. Kasi syempre, kapag magdadala ka with your friends, diba, parang hingi-hingi na lang, tsaka hiram-hiram na lang toothpaste, shampoo, tsaka ng sabon. Kasi, kaibigan mo naman yun, ito mag-i-inerte, no? So, yeah, join us in celebrating this Mother's Day. Hi guys, I am now ready. So, yeah, here's my fit check. Top lang from Pen Shop, tapos shorts from TikTok, tapos ano na tayo, sapatos lang, para kunwari, nakapang-alis tayo. Pero technically, bahay lang siya, right? So, kita yung chan ko, nakakainis. Tapos nag-bangle lang tayo dito para kunwari may accent lang tayo ng very light. So, I am now ready. Nakapag-usap na kami ng mga ate ko. Sila ay nasa biyahe na rin. Nakapag-book na rin ako waiting lang for the arrival of my riders. So, yeah, come join us! Now, in this time, nasa biyahe na ako papunta sa aming meeting place. Ang meeting place namin ay sa may LRT station, LRT2 station sa may Recto station, sa may Isitan Mall. Tapos, this moment, papunta na ako sa may Dunkin Donuts kasi ando doon si Ate Box, si Ate Albert. Doon na rin namin hihintayin si Ate Malu, which is si Ate Joshua Bolante. Now, pagkakita namin dyan ni Ate Box, syempre, pagkapasok ko ng Dunkin Donut, ano pa ba? Di magsisigawan ng mga bading. Ayan na siya. Ang hindi masyadong maganda, pero gorgeous and generous. Tapos may pa-selfie pa kami dyan, look. Ayan na, bugs, atake, blagabag nga ni. Then later, dumating na rin sa Ate Josh, ang aming Ate Malu. Actually, nung time na yan, medyo maingay kami ni Ate Bo, kasi ngayon lang ulit kami nagkita after a couple of years. So, ayun, nakita nyo si Kuyang nasa cashier, pinatahimik kami ng konti kasi masyado kami maingay. So, we decided to step out of the store na lang, tapos sa labas na lang kami magchichikahan. Go. Car. Kasi why not? Dapat pala yun mo ko na yung bag ko din dito sa likod.
Susunod isa na sa akin may car.
Ay, buti naman po kung gano'n.
Good afternoon po.
Good afternoon.
Saya muna sa vlog te.
Ay, say hi!
Bugs, nasa loob na kami ng building. Wala nang transition. Let's go na agad. So, yung time na to, naasikaso na kami nung caretaker nung room, and we're on the way to our room na. Okay? Mabilisan lang. Go. Go.
Parang gusto ko inugan.
Di nyo kaya, ilungan.
Nagigising na talaga.
on the way to our room. Thank you so much, sir. Hi guys, we're now inside our room. The CR is kind of giving mirror shot, cause why not? Ganda?
Love it!
Love it! Huwag niyong artihan.
Talaga magaling sa mga ganyan.
Oo, ganda. Mahusay.
Mahusay. Tapos tayo, saka medyo may attitude. Saka parang medyo ma-attitude tayo kasi the accents.
So there! Diba? Kasi parang nagpa-video kayo, no? It's a lang eh. Ano ba? Chocolate?
Yeah.
Oh, almond. Thank you so much po.
Thank you,
Ate Bo.
Thank you, Albert. Oh, wait lang.
Ano pang
Hindi ko alam ang color nyo. So,
Hindi,
teka minute.
ako to.
Actually, same talaga yan.
Diba?
Bago na nagkatan. Oh, thank you,
Ganda, ate.
Tama yan.
Lord, thank you
Bakit?
sa blessings mo.
Teka,
No more blessing. Picture tayo may kasama si ito kay Dugo. Macbeth.
Pwede mo itapon na yan sa pool.
Oo. Adugos, kunin mo daw.
Lagyan natin dito. Para ano.
Huwag na yung kay Dugo.
Adugos, gusto mo ta?
Ay, ano anong kalimutan?
So, lumabas kami ng room na to papunta sa labas to explore at saka para magbigay ng ticket para sa pool access kasi kailangan kaming kabitan ng wristband. And look at the outside, guys. Napakaganda. Imagine, nasa city lang kami niyan ha. Pero look at the vibe. It's giving refreshment. It's giving vacation feels. Tama? O, tama. 'Di ba? Agree kayo dyan. Ang ganda. I swear. It is, a must try. Try nyo din dito, guys. Dito lang to sa Shore Residence, Tower A, Pasay City. Malapit lang to sa MOA. Tama ba? So, yun lang. Ganda, right? Hi guys! Good afternoon. So, nandito na kami sa aming room sa, saan to? Sa Pasay Shore Residences Tower A. So, kasama ko na ang aking mga ate, sa mga friend ko. So, say hi naman to our video. Si Ate Josh. Oh, Boogs. Atake. And of course, ang aming celebrity ate, coming from Dubai. Fresh from Dubai. Boogs. Saudi pala. Oh, diba? Siya sa Ate Bok. Diba? So, mamaya pa si Ate Dugos, mamaya pa daw siya hahabol. Dahil nag-celebrate daw siya ng Mother's Day with her mother. So, dito kami mag-stay. Actually, maganda yung room na nakuha namin kasi we have the direct access to sa swimming pool. Ano daw? Direct access? O bakit? Diba? Buksan mo lang siya. Tapos, pool na siya. Ano siya? Ayun, nag-hi pa si ate. Alright, oh. Tapos ito yung bed. The bed.
Sa wifi.
Diba? Ganda. Pwede rin ito pang couple. Pero kami ay apat. So, quadruple. Quadruple to. I think the bed is queen size. Is it? Is it queen size? Or double? O parang double or queen size to. Tapos meron lang siya additional doon na cushion. And a foam. Diba? Pero kasya kaming apat dito. Kasi ako sa panala ko matutulog later. Depende. Ganon. So masaya, maganda, at mag-enjoy kami ng sobra. So later guys, kapag na-post namin yung video, you can, support our friendship by liking, sharing our video. Charot! Atake! Bye guys! Mamaya na nakapag-swimming na.
Not 10K!
Hello guys!
Oh my God.
Swimming time! Tara na, let's go! Dali, lapit! 1, 2, oh! 1,
Baka malam.
dito ka. 1, 2, ate, dito ka.
Ay, sige,
Mababaw
sige.
lang. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
Bakaw pa na, kalagpunag. Akala ko malalim. Biglang ang sakit. Di ba ba?
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1,
So, syempre, after ng swimming time, dinner time, after namin mag-dinner, we have decided na mag-chill. So, uminom kami dyan ng beer, kaming apat, tapos kwentuhan. So, marami kami napag-usapan at napagkwentuhan ng mga oras na yan. Napakasaya lang kasi kahit na ang tagal namin hindi nagkita-kita or nagkasama-sama, alam mo yun, komportable lang kami na mag-share ng updates at saka ng mga hinaing namin sa buhay. Marami kami napag-usapan. We gave advices to each and every one on how to deal with our current situations. Napakasaya lang sa feeling na alam mo yon, we are still bonded to each other. Tapos confident kami na yung tiwala namin ay buong-buo pa rin, na confident kami na hindi lalabas yung mga napag-usapan namin ng mga panahon na yun. Napakasaya lang kasi nagkakaroon pa rin kami ng time to see each other and to bond together. So happy! Hi guys, good morning. We just woke up. Sorry for my face. Good morning, I just woke up. So currently, my ates are preparing for our breakfast. This is our second and last day here at the Shore Residence, Tower A. Check out kami ng 12 noon, nakakabitin. Ay, dito kasi pwede mag-extend. So yeah, it's just a 32-hour stay here lang. So yeah, it was a fun experience with my friends, meeting them again, spending time with them is really the best. Last night was the best. So we shared a lot of, stories with everyone, live updates, masaya. So if you guys are kind of stressed, it's also better to spend time with your friends so you guys can, have a small talk. Para ma-refresh naman tayo. And look at my background, guys. Nasa city lang kami ha, pero yung vibe, the best. So, yeah, let's, greet our ates a good morning. Come on, join me. Let's get inside the room.
Uy, pag-free pala kayo sa
Our main guest, Ate Josh. Good morning. How are you, Ate Josh? Nag-enjoy ka?
Yeah.
Super.
Yeah.
Super. Nag-enjoy siya, di ba? Ate Bok. How are you, Ate Bok? Good morning.
I woke up like this. I woke up fresh.
Ganda. Nag-enjoy ka, Te?
Yes, of course.
Super. Ganda. Makahapos sa
Every time
buko.
I'm with you. Charot.
Good morning, Ate. How are you? Enjoy ka?
Yes. Ang ingay nyo.
Super.
Grabe! Oh,
Dawag vision, no?
Sorry, competition.
Palakasan kami ng hilik. Oh my God, hindi siya nakaka-gorgeous.
Lakas ng hilik mo.
Super.
Tulog mo.
Oh no. But yeah, kailangan ko i-workout yung sarili ko. Ba't ako humihilik? But yeah guys, nag-enjoy naman kami. So, it's a good Monday. No? Good morning everyone.
Maya, perito nila. Ano ba mga kamaki mo?
Hi guys! We're about to check out. Happy. Saya. Thank you so much sa Anto Shore Residence. Ganda ng nila. Amenities, ng room nila with the direct access to the swimming pool. It's the best. Enjoy.
Yeah.
Enjoy. Ate, enjoy.
Enjoy.
Di ba? So yeah, ang saya-saya ng araw na to. Actually, simula kahapon until today, Monday. It is the first day of the week. Pero, eto naman yung well-spent time with us friends. So yun. The House of Us. Oh, The House of Us. Iyak ka na mga bating. Thank you so much, Seashore. Wala akong love life, pero ba't ako naiiyak? Walang love life, pero naiiyak. Si Ate Josh.